Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have an airplane on the table and we're going to use a Play-doh compound to make the airplane. On the table I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 Play-doh compounds. Let's name all the colors. Can you guys recognize what color this is? That's right. It's red. What about this? It's yellow. What about this one? Yes, it's purple. What about this? Yes, it's blue. What about this? It's green. And lastly, this is gray. And the color of our airplane today is going to be green. Very cool, right? Let's remove it from the sling. And let's start making the airplane. First, we're going to use the red Play-doh. Here's a Play-doh. We're going to flatten this out first. And then let's make the airplane. Let's see what we have. Cool! Look at this, guys. We have our first airplane. And he's red. Ooh. Okay, second one we're going to use yellow. Look at this. Here's our second airplane, and he's yellow. Ooh. Cool. Next, we're going to use purple. Are you guys ready to see the purple airplane? Here it is. Cool, right? We have our third airplane, and it is purple. Next, we're going to have a green. Here's a new airplane. Ooh, and he's green. Cool. Next, we're going to make a new airplane using gray. Here's a new airplane, guys. And it is gray. So cool. Lastly, we're going to make it using blue. Cool. Here's an airplane. And it is blue. Ooh. We finally have 6 airplanes on the table. Let's name all the colors one more time. We have purple, yellow, gray, blue, green, and red. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoy it, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. today we're going to use a Play-doh on the table and make some robots. On the table I have this robot right here. Can you guys recognize who he is? He's from the movie Transformers. Yes, he is a member of Decepticon. We're going to make him today. Okay, let's name all the colors on the table first. We have gray, yellow, purple, red, blue, and green. Okay, are you guys ready to do it with me? Let's do it together. We're going to remove him from the sling. Here is. First, let's use the gray Play-doh. I'm going to flatten this out. And let's make our first robot. Cool. And he is gray. Next, we're going to use yellow Play-doh. Yay! Here's the second robot, guys. And he's yellow. Very cool. Next, we're going to use a purple Play-doh. Great! Here's the third robot. And he is purple. Yay! Next, we're going to use the green Play-doh. Okay, here's the fourth robot. And he's green. Cool. Next, we're going to use a red Play-doh. Cool, guys. Look at this. Here's a fifth robot. And he's red. Lastly, we have a blue Play-doh. Here's a Play-doh. Cool, look at this, guys. It is our sixth robot, and he is blue. Yay! Hey guys, we finally have 6 robots on the table. Let's name all the colors. We have gray robot, yellow robot, blue robot, red robot, green robot, and purple robot. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!